Hey adventurers, in this video we'll showcase the coolest camping gadgets to level up your outdoor experience. Fire starting tools, hammocks, sleeping bags, and more. Get ready for hassle-free adventures. Zippo Firefast Bellows. The Zippo Firefast Bellows is an essential tool for any camper who loves campfires. This compact portable bellows helps you control airflow to your fire, making it easier to start and maintain. With just a few puffs, you can boost the flames whether you're cooking, staying warm, or just enjoying the ambiance. Plus, its durable design ensures it can handle the rugged outdoors. A must-have for anyone who wants a hassle-free fire-starting experience during camping trips. Aootek new solar motion sensor lights 120. Illuminate your campsite with the Aootek new solar motion sensor lights. These energy-efficient lights come with 120 LEDs, providing ultra-bright lighting when movement is detected. No need to worry about batteries or electricity, as these lights change during the day using solar power. They're perfect for enhancing safety around your tent, spotting wildlife, or simply lighting up the night. With their durable weather-resistant build, these lights are a reliable companion for any camping adventure. LcFun Waterproof Lighter Outdoor. Say goodbye to traditional lighters with the LcFun Waterproof Lighter. This USB rechargeable lighter is perfect for outdoor enthusiasts. Designed to be windproof and waterproof, it's ideal for lighting fires in any weather condition. Whether you're camping in the rain or dealing with gusty winds, this gadget ensures you'll always have a reliable flame on hand. Its compact, rugged design makes it a great addition to your camping gear for dependable fire starting wherever you go. Stanley, the Camp Pour Over Set. Coffee lovers rejoice! Stanley's Camp Pour Over Set is the ultimate camping coffee maker. This compact set allows you to brew a rich, delicious cup of pour-over coffee anywhere. Made from stainless steel, it's durable, easy to clean, and doesn't require paper filters. Perfect for eco-conscious campers. Just add your ground coffee and pour hot water for a fresh, aromatic brew. It's lightweight and simple to use, making it a must-have for any morning caffeine fix in the great outdoors. MEREZA Double Sleeping Bag for Adults with Pillow. If comfort is a priority while camping, the MEREZA Double Sleeping Bag is for you. Designed for couples or those who want extra space, this sleeping bag comes with pillows for added comfort. It's made from soft, breathable fabric to keep you warm in cool weather, but it's also lightweight enough for summer trips. Easy to pack and carry, the sleeping bag ensures a cozy night's sleep under the stars without sacrificing comfort or convenience. Hand Warmers Rechargeable. Dnaleao 2-pack 4000 mAh. Stay toasty on chilly camping nights with the Dnaleao rechargeable hand warmers. These compact gadgets pack a punch with 4000 mAh of battery, providing hours of warmth. They're easy to recharge and come in a 2-pack, so you can share or, well, keep both for yourself. Not only do they warm your hands, but they also double as portable chargers for your devices. They're the perfect combination of warmth and utility when temperatures drop at your campsite. Camping Hammock Double and Single Portable Hammocks. Relax in style with the camping hammock, available in both double and single sizes. This hammock is designed for the ultimate comfort and portability, making it easy to set up between trees or any sturdy posts. Whether you want to enjoy a peaceful nap in the woods or a cozy spot for two, this hammock has you covered. Lightweight and compact, it's the perfect addition to any camping trip, offering simple yet luxurious ways to unwind in nature. LcFun Electric Lighter USB-C Rechargeable Lighter Windproof. For campers seeking a reliable and modern fire starting solution, the LcFun Electric Lighter is a game changer. Powered by USB-C, this rechargeable lighter is windproof, making it ideal for outdoor conditions. Whether you need to light stove, fire, or candle, the gadget gets the job done without relying on fuel or traditional flame. Its sleek design and long-lasting battery make it a convenient tool that should be in every camper's gear bag. Green Leaf WW3D Wonder Extension Cord Winder. The Green Leaf Wonder Extension Cord Winder is a practical gadget for organized campers. This tool helps you neatly wind and unwind extension cords, making it easy to keep your campsite clutter-free. No more tangled cords or frustrating setups, just smooth, efficient cord management. It's durable and designed to handle the wear and tear of outdoor adventures, making it a great companion for powering your gear without the mess. Rechargeable battery operated fan, 20,000 mAh. Keep cool during your camping trips with a rechargeable battery operated fan. This powerful fan comes with a 20,000 mAh battery, offering hours of refreshing airflow. It's perfect for hot summer nights in the tent or for keeping bugs at bay during the day. Compact, portable, and easy to charge, this fan ensures you'll stay comfortable no matter how high the temperatures rise at your campsite. Coleman Tabletop 2-in-1 Camping Grill Stove. The Coleman Tabletop 2-in-1 Grill Stove is a versatile cooking tool perfect for outdoor enthusiasts. It combines a grill and stove, allowing you to cook a variety of meals with ease. Whether you're grilling burgers or boiling water for coffee, this compact gadget covers all your cooking needs. Its portable design and easy setup make it great for camping trips, tailgating, or even backyard barbecues. You'll love how convenient and reliable it is for outdoor cooking. Loowoko 50L Hiking Backpack. For serious campers and hikers, the Loowoko 50L Hiking Backpack is a fantastic choice. With a large 50-liter capacity, this backpack can carry all your gear while staying comfortable on long treks. It features multiple compartments to keep your equipment organized, from clothes to cooking gear. Built with water-resistant material and padded shoulder straps, it offers durability and comfort for extended outdoor adventures. This backpack is ideal for those looking for functionality and space without sacrificing comfort. Desktop Water Bottle Dispenser. Staying hydrated while camping is easy with the Desktop Water Bottle Dispenser. This compact device fits on top of, well, most water bottles, dispensing water at the push of a button. No need to lift heavy bottles or struggle with pouring. It's a convenient, hassle-free way to access drinking water on the go. Perfect for camping, picnics, or road trips. This gadget ensures you'll always have easy access to clean water. Gas One GS 3400p propane or butane stove dual fuel. The Gas One GS 3400p is the ultimate portable stove for campers. Its dual fuel capability allows you to use either propane or butane, giving you flexibility depending on what you have on hand. Compact and lightweight, it's perfect for cooking meals on the go. Whether you're making a hot breakfast or a quick dinner, this stove ensures reliable performance. Its safety features and easy, ignition make it a top choice for outdoor cooking. NCAMP Cooking Set. The NCAMP Cooking Set is a must-have for campers who want a full kitchen experience in the wild. This compact portable set includes everything you need to prepare meals outdoors, from a stove to cooking utensils. It's designed for space-saving convenience and packs neatly into a carrying case. Whether you're whipping up gourmet meals or, heating up a simple snack, the NCAMP Cooking Set offers all the tools to make your outdoor cooking enjoyable and easy. And that's a wrap on our list of the best outdoor gadgets for camping. With these tools in your gear, you'll be more than ready for your next adventure. Whether you're cooking up a meal, staying warm, or just relaxing under the stars, if you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more camping tips and gear reviews. Let us know in the comments which gadget you can't wait to try, or if there's one we missed. Until next time, happy camping and stay prepared out there.